anybody's pockets hurt. You can get some of this stuff for free if you do it right or save some money on it. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see by the title of my video and everything behind me, this is going to be a Louis Vuitton haul luxury video. So I'm just gonna start off by saying all of this stuff is not mine. There's like 2 things here that are mine, and the rest of these are actually things that I was able to just pick up for some of my friends. But I thought, since a lot of this stuff is all different types of categories and classifications, that I would just do a luxury haul video for you guys, just so you can see if all of these different things are worth the money. If you want to buy like small leather goods, should you buy the small leather goods? If you want to buy shoes, do you want to buy the shoes? Do you want to buy clothes? I will let you know how everything is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's get to it. So I'm just gonna start off with shoes. So I know this is not something that a lot of people like to start off with, because a lot of people like to get like the handbags or the small leather goods like wallets or card holders. But I want to start off with the shoes because I feel like it's very different and we have some good ones here. So I'm going to start off with these guys. These are men's slides. So I know a lot of people love like the Gucci slides and stuff like that, but I think I like these better just because they're different and I haven't really seen too many people out there with them. So it just has the monogram print all over them, and this actually comes in this color and the darker eclipse color, and I think that both of these are perfect for men. The quality compared to some cheap slides that you can just get anywhere, this is a crazy difference. So these are actually a lot heavier than regular slides that I've worn, and these are a lot more comfortable. So underneath here, there's actually, it feels kind of a little bit rubberized, but that just makes it so much comfortable for your foot. And then they are very flexible, they are very thick, they are pretty heavy, but it's just such great quality. It has the LV at the bottom, it has the LV all around, and then it also has this pretty little detail right here. So it's pretty much just all over the entire sandal. So I think that these are such a great purchase for men. If you don't want to go for like the Gucci slides, but you do want something that's more luxury, I would definitely recommend these. These are such great quality. So next, in shoes, obviously, so these are all men's shoes because these do belong to a guy, but I feel like girls can wear them too. So the next pair of shoes, they come in this pretty little dust bag, and each one has its own, which is great. And then it comes with an extra set of just shoelaces, which is great. So the next pairs of shoes are these high top sneakers. I think these are just so freaking cool. So this actually comes, this shoe silhouette actually comes in a few different colors, but I like this pair just because I feel like it's so different. I love high top sneakers, and I feel like they did a really good job with this shoe. So it has the monogram all around it, but just in different colors. So it has the brown in the back, and then it has the white in the middle, and then the tip of the shoe is actually in the darker black color. The bottom is brown, and it has just the Louis Vuitton Paris made in Italy at the bottom, and then it has Louis Vuitton Paris right there, and there's this cool little strap, but I think it's mainly just for show because it doesn't really do anything. But it does say Louis Vuitton, and it does have the LV in a little rubber end tip. And I just think these are so cool. So it does come with the extra set of shoelaces, so if you don't want to wear the black ones, then you can wear the white ones. But I just think these are so cool. The insides also say Louis Vuitton Paris. So in the stores, these have sold out everywhere. Like, you cannot find either these or like they have an all black pair. Apparently these have been selling out ever since they came out, and it's very difficult to find, especially if you're a man, in the most popular men's sizes. So if you want these and you actually find them in a store or on the website and in your size, then definitely go ahead and get them because they are flying off the shelves. And I just think the box is so cool. It comes in this little like, it has this little like tab that you can just pull out, kind of like a cool little shoebox. Okay, so like you probably noticed in the title, I definitely was able to get something for free from Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna let you know how. So what I actually personally went to the Louis Vuitton store to buy for myself was a small leather good. And I know a lot of people, when it comes to their first luxury purchase, a lot of people like to get small leather goods, so like belts or wallets or card holders. And I think that's a good start if you want to start building up your luxury collection. So what I actually went to the Louis Vuitton store to buy was a small leather good. I went in there for a wallet, and I wanted this wallet for over a year, but I finally purchased it. So it's this cute little Victorine wallet, and I got it in the all over monogram. I just think it's the most beautiful wallet, and it's just so compact. It's actually so perfect. So it looks like a little envelope, and then I just open it up, and this is what it looks like with everything in it. It has 6 card slots, but then it also has two little pockets on either side, so you can add more cards if you need to, like I did. And then it has this little pocket for money, and then it also has a little section for coins. I wanted this because it was just so perfect for everything that I needed. I love carrying around cash, I love carrying around all my cards, and I love carrying around change, just because every time you pay with cash, you probably get change back. So I love having this little compartment for your change, and I love having something for your cash as well. And what I love the most about this is that it fits everything that you need, but it's so compact, so I can throw this in a big purse, but I can also carry it around with me in one of my really small purses, and there's still enough room in the bag for everything else that I need, and that's really what I wanted. So I really love the fact that everything fits in here, and I don't have to keep switching out my wallets. It's just such an annoying thing to have to do. So the thing I actually got for free from Louis Vuitton was another SLG, and it was actually this cute little key holder. Now, I didn't know that something like this existed, but after seeing it, I was like, I need to have that, just because I feel like my keys are always getting lost at the bottom of my bag. They're not really easy to find, and I feel like they kind of just start to scratch up your bags and everything that's in your bag. So this is like the most handy thing that I've ever bought besides the wallet. It's just, first of all, it's really cute, and this is what it looks like. I have my keys in there now. So this is the 4 key holder, and this is what it looks like. It actually comes in different prints as well, and I thought this one was supposed to be discontinued, but I guess they brought it back. So this is what it looks like with all my keys. So what I just put in the back is just like my little like gym card, but it has been the most handy thing, and I just love this. So this is the thing that I actually got for free, and let me tell you how. So when it comes to buying from certain luxury brands, I like to go to Macy's. And I know that sounds weird because you wouldn't really put Louis Vuitton and Macy's together, but here's why, and you'll understand in a second. There are several Macy's and Bloomingdale's locations where they actually have designer shops within the Macy's stores. So like if you're in New York City, you can go to the Macy's in Herald Square on 34th Street, and they have several designer brands within the Macy's store since it's so big. So they have Louis Vuitton, they have Gucci, and a few other designer brands. And this is what you have to do. When I go shopping on the Macy's website or like in store at Macy's, I like to shop during the times when I would get my star rewards back. So that's when you start to get star money or Macy's money or whatever you want to call it. And that's a lot of cash back on things that you are purchasing throughout the store. Now, here's what a lot of people do at the designer stores inside of these Macy's or Bloomingdale stores. So what they do is, which is exactly what I did, when I went into the store, and I went in specifically just to buy these and my wallet. So that's what I wanted to buy. But what I didn't know was that at the time that I went in, it was actually a time when Macy's was doubling up on their points. So what that means is that for every $100 you spend or every $50 you spend, you get a ton of Macy's points back. And for a certain amount of points that you collect, you get a certain amount of cash back. So when I bought these, when I bought this, I was getting over $100 back in star rewards and in star money. So that was $100 that I could put towards anything in the Macy's store. So when I bought these two, I accumulated up to around almost $250 in star money that I could use towards anything. And this is what they don't tell you, but you kind of learn if you know somebody that works in these stores, in these locations, or if you know somebody that works inside the Macy's stores, or somebody like me who does it enough. So what you can actually do when you get your star money from Macy's is you can go back, but you have to do this in person. You go back to that Macy's location and go back to that specific Louis Vuitton or that specific Gucci. You put your Macy's card in, and then you can use all that money on Louis Vuitton. You can use all that money on Gucci and whatever you want, but it has to be in the store. So the $250 that I got back from these two purchases, I used on my small leather good and didn't have to spend any more money purchasing this. I know a lot of people who actually have done this, because I know other people who love to buy luxury items, who love to buy handbags, and they time their purchase specifically when Macy's is having like their star money days, and they get double the points because they tend to use all the money that they get back from their purchases on things like this. They either get like a card holder, or they use it towards a belt, or they use it towards their next handbag or their next pair of shoes that they want from these luxury brands. And you just get so much money off. Like, I know specifically Louis Vuitton doesn't have any discounts ever, and you don't normally find them like at outlet stores or anything like that. So I think that this is just an amazing way to save money but still buy luxury items. Like, I wanted this for a while, and I was gonna purchase it with my own money, but the fact that I was able to get it for free made it so much better. I got to keep my money and still get what I wanted. And you guys know that song from like TikTok that's like, make his pockets hurt. But you don't have to make anybody's pockets hurt. You can get some of this stuff for free if you do it right, or save some money on it. Like, if you want to be bougie, go ahead and be bougie, but you can do it on a budget. And that's exactly what I like to do. If you know me, you know I don't like paying full price for anything, and I am so happy that I was able to get this for free. If I wasn't gonna get this, I was gonna use that money that I got back towards something else. So that's how I got my small leather good for free, when I purchased something else. Okay, so we talked about shoes, we talked about small leather goods. Now the next thing that I'm gonna be talking about is apparel. I actually really freaking love this. Okay, ready? Dun, 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 dun. I love this. So this is another men's item. But when I was at the store, I was actually working with a female employee, and she actually mentioned how much she loved this too, and how girls come in to the store with their boyfriends and they buy the same thing and just match with them, and I just think that's so cute. Another sales associate actually had a picture of herself in the t-shirt version of this, and it looked amazing on her too. So whether you're a guy or a girl, this is gonna look amazing on you. So it is this baseball shirt, and I love being able to wear men's clothing, because I just feel like when you have a certain look that you're going for, the men's clothes fit a little bit better than the women's clothes. So it's this baseball shirt, and I just love everything about this. So it has the LVs all over, so like right here, and then it has a beautiful little like floral detailing all over this shirt. I love the buttons. They say Louis Vuitton on each and every one of them. It has this cute little chain detail on the inside. The back is just all over floral print and the LV logo. It also has a pocket right here in case you need it, and I just think it's just such a beautiful shirt. So like I said, this is a men's shirt, and it actually comes with a matching set of jeans, and that would have just been like, if you are the type of person to be able to pull off an all over logo type of outfit, then definitely go for it. But I feel like you have to be a specific type of person and know how to style it. The fabric is like denim. It doesn't stretch at all, to be honest. But when I went to the store, the sales associate was saying how like this was the last size that they had left, because these, just like the sneakers, were flying off the racks and they were just selling out. And to be honest, I feel like a lot of this stuff, like if you get it from like a Louis Vuitton or like any other sort of designer brand, there's a lot of stuff that are collectible items. And in the future, if you decide that you actually want to sell any of these things, then they can definitely go for a lot of money, which is a great thing to think about. So that's everything in my Louis Vuitton luxury haul. And I'm very excited to just share with you guys how I was able to save some money while shopping luxury. I'm definitely a believer in buying great quality items, but I'm also a very big believer in saving money where you can. So you don't have to pay full price for everything. You can definitely save some money if you know your way around, do some research. There will always be a way. So if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.